Welcome to this quick video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to set up multiple size charts. Each chart will display only for specific products. Start by selecting your type of size chart and creating a size chart button block. Next, select the products for the first size chart. Then, create another size chart button block for the second size chart. Assign products or categories to this second chart. The second button doesn't appear now because it's not filtered for the current product. Let's modify this size chart a bit to make it different. Let's switch to the storefront. Now each size chart will be shown only for its assigned products. And you're all set to offer a seamless size chart experience for your customers.